So hello friend, so if you want to download Kinemaster Pro with unlock all feature, so first open Chrome browser and search revdl revdl.com and then next, and in search here we search Kinemaster. In first showing Kinemaster Pro mode APK 4.16.5. This is latest, means 14 January 2021. This is latest Kinemaster. So if you want to download unlock these Kinemasters, then first read more, then scroll down and go to download page, then click go to download page and wait for open this page, and here is option download unlock APK. This is unlock all the premium feature and also watermark remove. And second one, download original APK. If you want to original APK, in original APK watermark is included, so better to my suggestion, you want unlock APK, then click on download APK, and search, then download Kinemaster. Download and download, you see in your I have already downloaded this APK file, so you want to proceed next, then install in your mobile, and then yeah, I have already installed, say I am not installing, so yeah, open Kinemaster and use all the latest feature. Yeah, this is new Kinemaster, and then Kinemaster, this is 4.15.5. this is the latest one. And if you want to unlimited video layer, so you on this option and yeah, use this